Hi there, this is Faye from Facebook Media, and in this video, I want to talk to you about a brand new program right from Amazon Influencer Program to allow creators like yourself make up to $12,500 US by creating up to 500 videos. Now, that's a lot of incentives all at once, and in this video, I want to show you step by step how to do that, and also the video requirements and content requirements at large. I've also included a detailed blog post where you see all that information in a single blog post. Make sure you read through them all. Keep in mind that Amazon is actually going to shut down this program as long as you receive 35,000 videos. So you do have to act fast because you only have until September 22nd to send them all the videos. On top of that, another complexity is to sign up for the Amazon Influencer Program, which is different than Amazon Associates. To clarify, so I'm going to show you the page to do that and how you actually go about setting up what's called a storefront and uploading videos. So videos is what they're looking for. In this case, not a list of products, not necessarily live streams. So Amazon is doing this, I guess, for the first few times. I probably already missed the first round, so I want to just show you guys the details, and hopefully you have a lot of fun, learn from the experience, and make some money too. Let's get started. First thing first, you need to become an Amazon influencer. To do that, visit this link I've also included in the comments below. So affiliateprogram.amazon.com/influencers. On this page, you see an immediate call to action, sign up. But also, as you scroll down, you're going to see additional details, including what the requirements are. And it doesn't tell you exactly how many subscribers. In general, we have heard that you need a minimum of 200 followers or subscribers for your account. But generally speaking, influencers with 1,000 or more followers tend to see their qualification or see their program approved a lot sooner. So with that said, whenever you're ready, just click on sign up. Here you have the option to sign up using an existing Amazon account, or you can just create a new one. I'm not going to go over the details here. What the page looks like, for me, this is going to be the Facebook Media page. And from here, I want to show you how I get started creating content, how I share the store, and styling and things like that, what I have to work with. So with that said, let's just get started. Number one on this page, you can see that this is my regular Amazon login. And right here, I can upload a background photo. It looks like Amazon already has chosen my profile photo. I can certainly change that. If you're a creator like me, I do recommend that you choose something that people do recognize you as. And down here, you can just create content. Now, different content that you can create includes posts, which are videos and photos, idea list, as well as live stream. So here you can see that you can upload your video or image directly. And here you can actually tag products. I'm going to click on that. As you can see here, you can look at your idea list, but also you can search for your orders. You can also check out your browse history. After you're done, you can just upload the post. I want to quickly show you guys how easy it was for me to set up a banner and an image. Of course, we love using Canva as always. It's just so easy to repurpose some of the designs you may already have for your Facebook, Twitter, or YouTube. Now, I also can easily update my description, not trying to overcomplicate things here. And look, down here, under posts, you can filter based on all the things that you created, as well as individually based on idea lists. I have one, photos and videos. I've uploaded a video, but once again, it always requires approval before I can share it with the world. One last thing I want to show you is by clicking on this idea list, look just how clean and beautiful this page is. I absolutely love it because frankly, even if I don't go very far with this 12,500 influencer video, it's not a competition really. Frankly, just by setting up my influencers page, it makes me really happy. This is something that I've been wanting to do. Plus, if you guys are like me, who is doing a lot of review posts and things like that on your website, by adapting this influencer landing page and just setting up your storefront, guys, you're going to just save so much money and hassle managing those affiliate links in WordPress and Squarespace, what have you, right? And that just looks good and everything's very cohesive. So I hope you like it. Let me know how you're progressing and hope we'll take advantage of the comment section, encourage and cheer each other on. Until September 22nd, I would love to see your storefront and the products you're promoting, you're using. As always, I am learning. If you like this video, please check out the next one as well. I'm going to see you there. Bye.